Hi guys, I'm back and we are working with Eva's wigs again. So I did unbox this previously, but let's just do like a secondary unboxing because I have not messed with this wig at all. I wanted to show you guys that there is very little need to mess with it. I took her out the box, I kind of shook her out, and then I did an inspection. So let's just go ahead and really quickly comb through. This is just a 14-inch bob wig. But what's so special about this wig, it's actually super ridiculous, is it's so low maintenance. So I know you guys see me do a lot of doctoring of wigs. We're tinting lace, we're bleaching things, we're plucking things. This is for y'all who always seem to want to comment below, isn't there just a wig where I can just throw it on and not have to worry about it? Yes, there is. And yes, you can buy it, like, just straight up. So this is basically their faux scalp wig, and I know you guys have seen this trend of faux scalp wigs popping up, so I wanted to show you guys. Let's first look at the inside of the cap. So let's see what all of the details are that make this wig so freaking amazing. As usual, we have that amazing ventilated construction that Eva's wigs is just so freaking amazing at. We have the 3 combs and then 1 comb in the back, so 4 all together. I will probably be getting rid of these. Now, something new that I've never seen in wigs, and I get a lot of wigs, y'all. Something new I've never seen are these little bra hooks. Now, not the regular bra strap back here. These bra hooks come custom on the wig so that you can just, look at this. It's literally a bra strap. It's like a whole ass bra strap. And you can go ahead, you don't have to even worry about sewing on your band. It's so freaking, I mean, I'm putting this on backwards, but who cares? You don't even have to worry about sewing on your band. They've thought of everything for you. You guys, this is a one-stop shop. I've never seen anything like this before. I'm so freaking, I'm freaking out about it. Now, let's see what all of that does for the illusion of a scalp. Now, the knots come pre-bleached. I'll show you guys that. The knots come pre-bleached. I have not touched this wig. The hairline comes pre-freaking plucked. You guys see that? You guys see how amazing that hairline is? You don't have to do anything to this wig. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I want to put this on my wig head. Hold on. I want to put it on my wig head. Okay, now we can start getting some scalp effects. Now that we put her on the wig head stand. Oh my god. I just wanted to see how far I can comb this. Let's get into this parting space. First and foremost, the parting. I'm still going, by the way. Like, we're parting. How far back are we parting? Okay. This is absolutely utterly ridiculous. Here's your parting. You got from the front of the head to damn near the back of the head. Now, of course, the hair isn't very flat, so you can't. You're getting parting all the way back there. We're at the back of my head now. But let's look at the quality of the parting. So let's see here. Let's just start parting randomly. See what we get. I'm terrible at parting, by the way. Okay, so we have parting from ear to ear, going all the way to the back of the head. Awesome. The hair is like super bouncy, but I probably am going to try to bump it a little bit with a flat iron, just so there's no flyaways or anything like that. I would love to put a black rinse on it, but I want to keep this hair basically out of the box. Now let's get into this pre-plucked hairline. it has that infamous swoop hairline. They really take time in making their lace portions of their wigs, which is why I love working with Eva so freaking much. Alright, I think I played with her enough. Let's go ahead and throw her on and see what it looks like straight on a real person's head. Alright, you guys, so I've already attached the adjustable bra strap. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my head, make sure it fits. I did have to blow dry because I did have to tint the lace. As you guys can see, the lace is darker now. So I tinted the lace, washed the hair, and then blow dried it and pinned it up overnight so that we can take it down today and have somebody. You guys can go ahead and see that part, but I think, do I want a side part? Alright, let's just go ahead and place my wig onto my head. I'm gonna see where this hairline's looking like, where this hairline stops. Go ahead and place the wig. Again, I have to have my fan on because it's super duper hot in my studio. So let's go ahead and cut the rest of this lace off just to make it easier to attach this to my head. Oh shit. I have not even, look at this. I have not even done anything yet. I'm already really feeling this wig. We haven't even really put her on my head yet. Like she's not even on that good yet. Oh, okay. Alright, so this part's gonna be sped up because I don't want you guys to have to hear the blow dryer, but we're just gonna take my blow dryer and the good old Got2b Glued spray, and we are going to stick this bad boy down, okay? Okay, you guys, so we're all done. This wig was like probably the easiest I've put on in a long time, only because I didn't do anything. Like I didn't have to pluck it, I didn't have to do anything. I'm thinking maybe I should go in and maybe pluck this part. It seems wide enough, it's just the hair is so full that when it kind of like bounces back, the part doesn't seem very big. But I have to give this lace 2 thumbs up, 2 sticky thumbs up, because I have Got2b Glued on them. But oh my god, like the way this lace is blending right now, like am I tripping? Am I tripping, or does this wig look like it's coming from my scalp? I'm not tripping. So again, this is the Eva Bob wig. It's their real parting lace wig. I'll have all the details below, but it's 14 inches. All I had to do to this bad boy was tint the lace. Now, if you're a lighter complexion, you don't even have to do that. And if I'm not, oh, why am I messing with my eyelashes? If I'm not mistaken, I think they might even have an option for darker lace. I could be tripping, but if they don't take my word for it. I thought that they usually do have like an option for like medium to dark lace. This lace, it took to color like no other. I mean, like look at it. Oh my, look at this lace. Like I could probably lay this little part down here or in here a little bit more, but other than that, this hair, like all of Evawigs, I have not had a wig where I'm just like, I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. She's not doing it for me. She's not doing the damn thing. They always do the damn thing. They are the most professional wigs. This is an everyday wig. They are the most durable freaking wigs. I wear their wigs to the goddamn gym all the time. Like, their wigs are just constructed so previously, and I've never seen this adjustable removable strap before. Like, that is awesome. It's just, it's so freaking unique to me. Like, maybe other companies are doing it, but Eva's the first person that I've ever seen do it. So I'm gonna give props to Karen and her team for once again just providing me with bomb hair to show you guys. It's definitely worth go ahead and do the investment. Like, if you need a wig and you don't want to spend money on wigs repeatedly, if you need a wig for like the next 2 years, Evawigs is your place. Like, that's the place you need to go ahead and spend your money. Get your back to school on and really just buy one of their wigs. And I recommend this one because, oh my god, this one is so freaking easy and natural looking. Like, I haven't had it be this easy in such a long time. I haven't had a wig, first of all, I haven't had a wig blend this seamlessly with my skin in ever. I don't think I've ever had a wig just melt like this. Just melt. It's not even clockable, like not clockable at all. I don't think I've had a wig do this before. I can't stop looking at my monitor like she really doing the damn thing. Yeah, so I showed you guys the parting and you guys saw I had it parted at first, like down the middle. I decided to go ahead and make it a deep side part. I haven't plucked anything. I haven't plucked the edges. I put a little bit of swoops here so you guys can see that. I did not pluck any of this. Not the front, the side. I think, here's the other side. I think I might pluck a little bit here only because it looks just a little dense by my ear. But other than that, it is a throw on and go wig. I don't think I've ever had a wig this simple before. Oh my god, and the hair is so freaking soft. I honestly cannot stop messing with it. I'm gonna mess up this hair. I can't. I gotta go out tonight. Yeah, this is like, what else can I say? I showed you guys the party, I showed you guys the construction, I showed you guys me putting it on. That was it. Like, boom bam boom. I didn't show you guys me washing and blow drying it because who needs to wash and blow dry? But yeah, that's it. That's all I have to say to y'all. I don't have no cons. I have 0 cons. I did cut out the 2 combs. I didn't cut the one out in the middle, but I'm not using it anyway. But I just was like, whatever. I didn't cut it out because it doesn't really rub my head and bother me at all. So I do cut out the temple combs because I don't like the traction. And you don't want to get traction out feature strip. I don't recommend using those. Plus it comes with 2 bra straps. You really don't need the combs. But they put everything there for you. You got everything. Whatever you could want sits, you got it. So yeah, buy this wig. Like, don't play these games. Save up your money if you need to and buy this wig. Put it on your credit card, put it on your PayPal account. I don't care what you do, but y'all not about to pass up this kind of quality, okay? So I'm gonna see y'all in my next one. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, I have been rocking with Eva for the longest. Like, if you guys can go back to like when I first started doing hair reviews for hair companies, and Eva has been kicking it with me like since the good old days, like since before her sister was like a little bit thinner in the face. So yeah, I'm gonna head out and show everybody my hair and how I'm kicking it and how I live. Y'all can do what y'all wanna do. I'm gonna see you then. Bye.